children, welcome back to English class. Children, we are in block 10 making sentences. Lesson number 3 is words with OA, OE and OW. Keywords of the lesson are children jo, boat, mo, row, slow, blow, toe, throw. Okay, so let us take out our readers children. Yes children, now all of you all open your reader. Okay children, open your reader page number 63. Here we are having let us see what is the name of the story children. Joe and his boat. Okay, fine. Now where the story is taking place? Yes, it is taking place in the water. Okay, children? Fine, children. Now keep your finger on the line. Joe rows his boat. The wind blows and blows. The boat turns as Joe rows. Joe hurts his toe. Oh no, my toe, says Joe. Yes, children, this story is about a boy. His name is Joe. He rows his boat, children. Okay. When the wind blows and blows, the boat takes turns. But what happened? Joe hurts his toe. Let us see. He drops his oar. Oh, children, this is oar, children. So what happened when he got hurt? He drops his oar in the water. He can row the boat no more. Children, when oar is not there, how we can row the boat? We can't move the boat. Okay, with the help of row only we can move the boat in the water. Yes. And then the boat is now slow. Joe is scared. The boat stands still. Joe tries to move it to and fro. He can't make it go. Now what happened? Row is not there. So Joe is scared now. The boat stands still. The boat, he is trying to move the boat, but he cannot move the boat. But wait, who is that? It's Joe's friend, Mo. Mo has a boat too. Joe throws a rope to Mo. Mo ties Joe's boat to his own boat. Mo pulls Joe's boat to the shore. Okay, children. So now what happened when he was scared? Okay, so his friend came. What is friend's name? Mo. So what happened now? Joe, he throws a rope, children. So he tie the rope to his boat and both Mo pulls the boat to the shore. Okay, children. So this is the story of Joe and his boat. Okay, how he will drop his rope in the water and he is very scared. At that time only his friend Mo will come and he will help him to come to the shore, children. Okay. Children, here table is given, children. So we are writing OA words in one column, OE words in one column, OW words in one column. Okay, children. All these words we have learnt in the poem. Fine. So now I am going to explain you what is same. OA, OE and OW. When two letter comes together and they will make one sound, we call it as team, letter team or vowel team. Here we are having both the letters vowel only. Here also same. Here we are having only O vowel. So we will call it as vowel team, children. So OA, OE, OW will make same sound, children. O. What sound they make? All the vowel teams, different vowel teams we are having, but they make the sound same. Okay, OA, OE, OW. O sound they will make. Okay, children? O sound. Let us see. Boat. Bo. O. Okay. Boat. OA sound. Sorry children. O-E. Jo, mo, to. Here O-W. Slow, blow, throw. Fine. Here let us add two more words children of O sound. Okay children? Now lion. A lion roars. Okay children? So roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Fine. And one more word we will write. Coat. O sound. Okay. C-O-A-T. Coat. If you see here O-A, O-A, O-A. O sound in all the words. Here if you see O-E, O-E, O-E. Letter T. Same sound. O. If you see here O-W, O-W, O-W. Same sound. Yes children, now all of you all open your workbook page number 12. Okay children? Write the date here children and then S3. Words with OA, OE and OW. First bit. Fill in the blanks with OE, OA or OW. Let us see the picture and we have to write the vowel team children. Which vowel team will come here? What is this picture? This is boat. So what we will write? B-O-A-T. Next, this man is rowing. Okay, row. So R-O-W, row. This man is, what he is doing? Throwing the ball. So throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. What is this children? This is bow. Okay children, for your dresses if you see, bow will come. For hairbands also, like show, they will put a bow. B-O-W, bow. What is this? Toe children. T-O-E, toe. What this girl is doing? She is blowing into the balloon. Blow. Okay, B-L-O-W, blow. What is this? Coat. C-O-A-T, coat. This is lion, roar. Okay children, so O-A will come here. Boat, row, throw, bow, toe, blow, coat, roar. Yes children, now second bit children, bit 2. Write one word for each of these letter teams. O-E, O-A and O-W. So what we will write children? First one in the poem, in the story what we have, Joe and his boat. So we can write boat, okay, B-O-A-T, boat. And then we can write toe, T-O-E, toe. And throw, T-H-R-O-W. Throw also you can write, blow also you can write, okay. With the help of the story we can write here. Third bit children, make sentences with any 4 words from above. Children, here so many words are given, no? 4 we have to take and we have to make sentences. Okay children, so let us take first one, coat. I have a pink coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Okay children, and then I like to row a boat. You all like to row the boat children? Yes, I like very much children. I like boating very much. Okay. So children, here we have used the 2 words from the above words. Okay, no problem children. We can use the words. Now here children, she, S-H-E. She has a big toe, T-O-E, toe. And then fourth one, he can throw the ball so far. Like this you have to write 4 sentences using 4 words from the first bit. Children, if you want to write if you want to make sentence with any of the other words also, you can make, children. Okay, children, all of you all open your reader, children, page number 66. Yes, children, here practice questions is given. 7th one, look at the picture and write 3 sentences about it. Yes, children, if you look at this picture, you can make 3 sentences. What sentences I have written here, I'll just read it out for you. This is a dark room. Yes, children, there is a big white scary mask on the bed. Yes, if you see here, scary mask on the bed. And then the boy is scared of the dark. The boy is scared of the dark. Yes, you can write 3 sentences like this in your reader neatly. Okay, children, let me show you clearly, children. Yeah, okay, write neatly in the reader. Children, now all of you all take out your notebook, children. Okay, notebook, you have to write the date here, children. Put double margin and write down block 10, making sentences. First bit is fill in the blanks with a naming part or telling part. Yes, children, here blanks are given. We have to write naming part or telling part. Nishi. Nishi is what, children? Naming part. So we have to write in the blank telling part. B bit is dash in a house. Here telling part is given. We have to write the naming part. C bit is the monster. The monster is naming part. We have to write the telling part, children. Okay. Yes, children, here Nishi likes to play. We can complete the sentence by adding telling part to it. I live in a house. See, it is the monster comes in the night. Children, write neatly in your classwork book. Okay, children. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.